Alright guys, let me teach you how to play I Look to You by Whitney Houston on key F. I'll just go straight to the chorus because it's the same progression for everything. I look to you. I will explain it. I look to you. Let me just cut it short here. So this is the progression. This is my F, my Do, my 1. I'm using the number pattern and the software notation as well, so that you understand it. So this is my Do. You know, the first inversion. This second inversion. I'm using the first inversion of my Do. So for every this thing I will use this first inversion. You understand? I thought about inversion on keyboard on my previous tutorial. You can go and watch it. So this is my first inversion. So I look to you, your Do. The next chord is your Saw. Same first inversion of my Saw, which is my 5. I look your La. First inversion as well. Then your Mi. Then we do Do, Ti, Fa. This will be a passing chord to your Fa. After your Mi, you play your Do, Ti, Fa. My first version of my Fa as well. That's my 4. So let me just state the number pattern of the progression according to the number pattern. So your 1, your 5, your 6, your 3, your 4, that's your 3, your 4, then your 5, then end with your 1. So your Do, your Saw, your La, your Mi, your Fa, back to your Mi, then your Fa, then your Saw. Hope you got it. So I'm using the first inversion for every chord I'm playing here. So I look to you, I look to you, your Mi. Just remember to do this. Just very simple. Do, Ti. It's a passing chord to your Fa. Fa. Then the next one is your Ti, Do, Fa. The first one is your Do, Ti, Fa. Once you come back to your Mi, then you play your Ti, Do, Fa. Then you stay on your Fa, then your Saw. This is very simple. Let me just play with the beats. Let me reduce tempo. I'll do. How to play it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something, please do it to like, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up, and drop your comments in the comment section. Love you guys. See you in my next tutorial. I remain Gido Keys. Bye.